Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete all message history in Viber at once, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete all the message history in Viber at once, first open up your Viber app on your phone. After opening your Viber app guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-dotted icon with the more button available for us. At the bottom right, tap on the more button with the three-dotted icon. And on this interface guys, we'll be required to tap on the settings option just above my notes. So tap on settings, and when you land over here, you can see the option where it says calls and messages just below the notifications. Tap on calls and messages, and when this panel appears at the bottom of the screen, you can see guys, just above the silence unknown callers, there it says clear message history. If you tap on it, it's kind of pop-up will appear where it says this will delete all your Viber message history. Now in order to delete all message history in Viber at once, tap on clear, and all of your messaging history on your Viber app will be deleted. And with that being said guys, this is how to delete all message history in Viber at once. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.